going like northwest, I think, and it's going.
It's going east.
Yeah, now it's going east, but it was going northwest.
Wow.
It's heading toward.
I'm watching Justin.
Oh my goodness.
This is really blurry, sorry. Or is that just me?
Oh my god. Horrible. Oh my god. Look at those trees.
I'm videoing.
Look at this.
It's not so bad as well.
I know, but if you kind of the trees on the camera look like worse. But yeah, for once we actually didn't do like a glass spirit board thing.
No. I'll show you what it is when we're doing it. Yes, we are watching tornado stuff. We did it right here. And I made my dog like a little pen, and I trapped her in by doing this. I don't know what I did, and I took her out. But she never noticed that there's a hole on top and then a window. I'm not sure if you guys know I have a dragon. A bearded dragon. I was just in the parade. If you don't know what a parade is, it's just like a group of people who did stuff, and then they go and decorate a float, like a truck. Then they go walk on the street. People, we give out candy to people and shoot water guns at them.
Top 10 deadliest tornadoes in history.
Do you go check outside?
Yeah, I just went.
Like fully outside?
Not fully. I'll go out there.
We're videoing the storm, and I'm watching him videotape on my while I'm videotaping.
Shut the door, Brooklyn. Shut it.
Ah!
Thanks.
Let's go jump on the tramp.
What?
Let's go jump on the tramp.
Let's jump on our tramp.
It's raining out.
I know.
You're gonna see black for a little, like maybe a couple seconds, like right now. Okay, if you guys seen that. Oh wait. Oh cool. Look it. Ready?
I know, guys. Oh my god.
We're gonna jump.
Sorry, guys. Sorry if we fall or something.
It's a highway. I want to see if I can see the tree. No, there's a giant tree in the way. Never mind.
Oh yeah, there is.
Oh, it's raining harder.
I'm barely getting hit by rain, but I am. Yeah, you guys can watch this video on both of our channels.
Are you ready?
And if you're new, I'm called Video Crusher 2007.
Ugh. We seen a pic. Let's go see if we can show you the picture. Here, Husky. It's just a store where you get candy and all that. It's near my gymnastic club. Mom, where's your phone?
In the kitchen, honey.
Okay. So I passed it. Where's the? Is it on your text message on Colleen?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So Brody is watching. I know, Brody.
Top 10 deadliest works.
Yeah. Get out of that. Really not focusing. Anyways.
Are you freaking kidding me?
What?
My iPad just died.
When you were videotaping?
Yeah, I thought I was just about to end my video.
His iPad just died.
And I was just about to end my video.
Oh, we have to redo that video somehow.
Yeah.
Okay, how do I get out of here?
Spooky, scary skeletons. Spooky, scary skeletons.
Like this? I think we go. Let's X that out.
Scary skeletons.
Close all.
Why are you doing that? Did you
I'm gonna
finish
show him
yours?
the picture.
I didn't get to see the picture.
I'll show you it. Messages.
You might want to clear it
Colleen.
out, Brooklyn.
Yeah, I know. Adrian. Colleen. Okay. There's a new message.
Let me see.
And then here's a picture.